Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Or I hope you're having a nice day, as my t-shirt says. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So yes, the guys at Secret Scents have kindly sent me this month's July box so I can unbox that with you guys. So let's take a little look. Firstly, this is how it comes. My address and that is on this side. It's the perfect size to fit through your letterbox. Firstly, it just means that you don't have to worry about being in or about answering the door, and this will just come through your letterbox. It's super duper easy. So, and then once you open the box, inside we have this lovely black box presented very nicely, and we open the box and inside we have a little card telling us it's the July edition. Really pretty picture this month. And then we also get some cards, which is information about each perfume. There's also one about how you might be able to win an Amazon gift card if you kind of go on and share your photo of the box. And there's another little offer from Superdrug about one of the fragrances. So really useful. And then we get 3 cards about each of the perfumes and the 3 fragrances themselves. So before we take a look at the fragrances, this is a monthly subscription box. You can just sign up for 1 month at a time if you want, or you can sign up for a whole year. If you just sign up for 1 box, it is £15 per month. And if you go for the whole year, it is £13. It gets a little cheaper the more often you subscribe. I think there's a 3-month and a 6-month one also. Okay, so let's get on into this box and see what the perfumes are this month. So, as usual, if you've seen my unboxings, I am going to go through the perfumes one by one. I will read you the info on the cards, and then we're going to give the perfume a little spray. So our first fragrance this month is from Versace, and this one is called Bright Crystal. And the little write-up says, Versace Bright Crystal is a precious jewel of rare beauty, characterized by a fresh floral, vibrant fragrance, perfect for those summer evenings. It says it has top notes of yuzu, pomegranate and water notes, with middle notes of lotus, peony and magnolia, with base notes of amber, musk and mahogany. So I'm just going to give that a little spray. Oh, I do like that one. I think it's kind of that subtle kind of fragrance, which is something I like, kind of very light fragrance, but with a bit of floral sweetness to it almost. Yes, I really like that one. That's a very nice fragrance, and the bottle, if I was to get it, is quite pretty too. Okay, our second fragrance is from Banana Republic, and it is their Peony and Peppercorn. It says, introducing a beautiful brand new eau de parfum from the Banana Republic. A spicy floral scent crafted by perfumer Vincent, oh my goodness, Kuzinski, possibly. It has top notes of pink peppercorn and fresh bergamot. It has middle notes of pink peony and rose petals, with base notes of skin musk and cashmere wood. Okay, so this sounds like it might be a nice one. I like anything that's like pink peppercorny. Get the lid off, there we go. Ooh, completely missed the card. Yes, I like that one. It's not as subtle as the first one. Ooh, but no, that's really nice. Really nice. It's a definite floralness about it, but it's not as sweet of a floral. It's nice. Yes, really like that one. In fact, that one is the one we get that little note about, and it's saying that it's on an introductory offer. If we go to a Superdrug between the 15th of July and the 8th of September, it is £25 instead of £55. Do you know what? I'm going to wear that about a little bit, and I might go buy that. Really nice. Okay then, and our final fragrance is from Cartier, and it is their Eau de Concentré. It is a clean, light fragrance from Cartier, created by perfumer Christine Nagel. The perfect scent for those summer days and evenings. It says it has top notes of coriander, violet and lavender. It has middle notes of violet with base notes of amber, patchouli and cedar. Okay, and let's spray that one. I don't know if I'm sold. It's quite nice. I don't know if it's one I'd like choose to wear. I don't know if it's, not to sound mean, I don't know if it's an older lady style perfume. I quite like it. It is that kind of fresh fragrance. I just don't know if it's my kind of fragrance. But as I've always said with these fragrance subscription boxes, it is an ideal way to try fragrances. I can be fussy with scents and things. Sometimes I'll smell something and I really like it, and as I wear it I think, oh god, do you know, I really don't like this, as I get used to it. And vice versa, if I think I'm going to like it and it turns out maybe, sorry, if I don't think I'm going to like it and I wear it about a bit, it grows on me and I quite like things. So I find it's just an ideal way to try something without buying, you know, the whole bottle. And these, of course, are perfect handbag sizes. People are starting to go back to work now. One of these will slip in your handbag so easily. And it's like the kind of perfect midday pick-me-up kind of a thing. Little spritz of that, are feeling a little bit better about ourselves. I just think, yeah, I genuinely really like these. I think they're good. I'm happy with this month's perfumes. I definitely really like that middle one, I think. Like I said, I'm going to wear that about, and we've got that little card that tells us about them on offer at Superdrug. £25, so it's a saving of £30. I might grab myself that if I like it, but it means I get to wear this. In each box, Secret Scents give you enough perfume to last you the month. So this is a month's supply. So I'll have a month of trying these fragrances, seeing if I like them or if I don't. If I don't like them after first wear, I can always pass them on to a friend, I suppose, and then they can see if they like them, and then they might be that blown away they get the box themselves. Anyway, guys, that is this month's July Secret Scent box. I love the little card this month, so cute. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think about it. Do you like the idea of these fragrance subscriptions? Have you tried any of these scents? Probably not the Banana Republic one, because that's brand new. Yeah, let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. And if you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe, because I've got videos coming up, well, as often as I can. I try to upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and on Fridays I do a face mask Friday. So yes, make sure you subscribe. And until next time then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care.